My name is Mary Craig, and this poem is called Adonics for Simon. The title comes from a metrical pattern called the Adonic, a dactyl and a trochee, or da-da da da-da. The pattern occurs here and there in the poem. The epigraph is from Linda Paston's Beauty Shop. Adonics for Simon. She wore in a silver locket at her throat the hair of her long dead child. The photograph of mother and son is all concentration. Their down-pointed eyes lance the airspace between them. Their hands approach prayer, working with wire. Mary sits at the head. Simon stands at the corner, his shirt a Madonna's cloak blue, near his mother's soft red and the yellowed oak table spread with tiny clear bags disgorged from the bead box. It's their wine charm phase in the early aughts, a good project for children. She's half-glassed and two-fisted with cutter and pliers. He inspects wire loops he's stacked over his thumb. He's hairless and calm, his head opalescent as the ball on a pin. It is the month, though they do not yet know, of the turn. She will learn. Hair grows on the dying. Thank you.